What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT. Today we've got this product here from Chemical Guys. I saw a demo of this online and I wanted to try it out, so I picked it up at my local store and we're gonna give it a shot. As you can see here, these tires are pretty dirty, so this is gonna be a nice test for this product here. It is an all-purpose cleaner and degreaser, so we're gonna go ahead and try this thing out. It's supposed to clean up this rubber really nice. So we got it sprayed. We're gonna go ahead and let that sit and soak. This is an ultra fast deep cleaner, removes tough contaminants, versatile interior and exterior use. Okay, let's go ahead, let it soak, and we'll come back and use our brush on here and see how much of that grime comes off. Okay, so that's had a little bit of time to soak, so we're going to take our brush, we're going to wet it up a little bit here, and then we're going to rub this. Look at how dirty that water is. Alright, we're going to go ahead and rinse this off. So after hitting it with the brush, this tire is actually looking pretty good. It's looking pretty clean. And once it dries, we'll really be able to see how much of that grime got off of there. But if everything dries well and we hit it with some nice tire grease, it's gonna be looking nice, fresh, and crispy. All right, so we can see as the tire is starting to dry that there's still some grime left on there. So what we're gonna do, instead of using this brush, we're gonna hit it with this brush. It's a little stiffer, really should be able to get in the grooves and get that last bit of dirt out of there. So we're gonna go ahead, hit it with this brush and see what the results look like. Alright, so here are the tires after 2 applications. Doesn't look too bad. Now these tires were pretty dirty. There's a little bit of grime left on there, but for the most part the product does work. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.